So hey guys, here I am rolling to a stop in geofs with a 737. So I'm thinking, I was thinking, why don't I try landing with a passenger airplane, which I'm not that good at. So I tried it out. So this is how it is. So first here we are in the approach to EI Golia, or I don't know what it says. Okay, runway 36 in GEOFs. So this is the cockpit view which I was using. Once I'm going to the land, once I'm going to land, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you from the outside view. So, right at the moment, my thrust is at 10 or almost idle. So, as you could see, we are having a total stable flight. So now let us go to the outside view of the plane. So here I am and a butter. That was a major tail strike there, but still. Now the most satisfying things about these type of landings are the nose. It kind of stays in the air for a while. I tried to keep it in the air, but by that time I had stalled out. So, so that we have stopped. So thank you for watching and